Good morning. It is, I don't know what the date is. I'll put it on the screen. We are going to be mowing hay tomorrow. It has been raining a lot. We are running behind. Normally we had hay baled by this time last year and I forgot to film. But anyways, today we gotta get the barn cleaned up. We gotta move all this stuff out of the way so we can get the equipment out. Papa will wash the tractor. The mower is ready to go. The John Deere did not get a bath. It needs one. I'm not gonna have time to do that today, so it will get a bath whenever it happens. So right now what I need to do is I need to back out this tractor and get all this stuff out that's here, put it back in the stock trailer, and then we can go look at the hay real quick to see how high it is, and we'll mow hay tomorrow. I think Pap's gonna mow some of it, then I'm gonna mow some of it, so I'll get some footage of the tractor. And yeah, it's gonna go smooth. We should be baling by, I think I'll bale on Wednesday or Thursday we'll be baling. Because tomorrow's Sunday, we'll be mowing Sunday. Probably has Jonah Ted behind us in the red tractor. And I think that'd be good. So let's get this tractor backed out and get to work, because we got a lot to do in the next couple of days. Also, side note, the steer is gone, so we no longer have him, so we can gain this area back. He went to the meat house to get turned into nice steak, sadly, but he's gonna taste good. That's all that matters. So we gotta back this really clean tractor out. And we gotta move this gate and all that junk. Not that stuff, like these goat stands, that tire. So yeah, we'll get a cold start in the tractor and we'll get to it. So the red tractor is pulled out, and all this stuff has got to go into this trailer, or stock trailer. And there's the moo-moos. Hi, girls. There's all the manure that didn't get spread. So yeah. And Jonah's up there weed eating, so he might be running the tractor, so you might see some footage from him. So, oh, and also, side note, climb up in here. We had the bale monitor mounted the other day for our new baler that we got. So, let's just have a look at the placement. The wires are everywhere though, but I mean, just, oh yeah, that worked nice. I mean, you can't really see it, but man. A good spot. I was kind of hoping they'd put it right here so we can get to it better, like right here. But I guess they put it there because you can monitor it better. I wonder if this will start. The battery's probably unhooked. Yeah, battery's unhooked. Yeah, but you'll be seeing me run this mowing hay. Big old hay mower behind it. So, yeah. I want to go ahead and get all this stuff moved out, so I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. And we'll get to it. So I'm going to try to find a good spot to time lapse because I lost my tripod. So I'm going to buy a new one. So yeah. We'll cue some music and we'll get to it. Gotta help Jonah unload these tires. You want to tell the viewers about the new wheels?
What viewers?
YouTube.
Getting back to YouTube.
Yeah. You like them? What'd you do with the old? Where's the other two?
Up in the garage.
Why'd you not bring them down?
Those are nice tires and they're just gonna get used down here if I don't.
So those are the rears?
This is the rear and the front. This one's top.
Oh, that's the bad one?
These are two bad ones.
Shop looks clean. Did you do this?
No.
Who did?
Guessing Papa.
I mean, I think it looks way better. I'm coming to save you.
Allah, I'm gonna go walking.
Now. Are you sure you want to come out?
Is that vent's on?
Yeah, it's on. Dadgummit. I do like those tires. They look way better. Oh yeah. So the hay's about 4 foot tall. That's about my hip. It's real thick, real tossily. Hush. He's mad. He wants some ladies. So yeah. We'll see you when we're mowing it. It is the next day. Pat mowed hay last night, and I went home, so I didn't get to see any videos, but we gotta go Ted, so I got my Gatorade thing full of sweet tea. I think the tractor's in here. It is. We got the tedder hooked up, ready to rock and roll, so we'll get this thing underway. Yeah. Do you gotta fold these arms down and then take your boot and put it down underneath one of these tongs, these teeth. Make sure your boot's flush with the ground and then run that lever down until it's on top. This is the hay. We got Ted, so yeah, we'll get this folded down quick. So the next thing you're going to want to do, put your boot right there and crank it down with this lever onto the tippy top of the boot. So, a little lower. Perfect. Right there, it's perfect. Okay. Take you a little lower. Perfect. So now we can get this whole field tethered. Going smooth. We're running 6 miles an hour. Second lap around, I was just doing the lap all by myself to make sure everything was going to go smooth. So sit back, listen to some tunes, relax, and I'll see you guys when I'm done tonight, and then we'll move on to raking. So let's get done with this and keep on trucking. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the field is tethered. So now I gotta fold this up, put it away, and I will see you guys when we are hooked to the rake in the next clip. So yeah, I'm gonna go and hook this. We're gonna go put this whole setup away and let this stuff dry out. It's currently the next day. I'm going to rake in a minute. Joe's going to get a block of wood to block this tether. I'll get the raking in a few minutes, so yeah. It's going good so far. I'm doing the front now. I have the headlight passed up. Going in beautifully. And it's very thick hay. So yeah, I just got home. So he's going to be out here at the Baler in a little bit. I'll probably be done before he gets going, so we'll see what happens. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the end of today's video. I'm sorry for the lack of raking and tractor driving content, but I have been busy trying to get my work done at other places. There will be more next time. You will see me operate more next time, so don't worry. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.